What is going on, everyone? It's time to listen to the subscribers and do a requested video. Now, this state gets requested a lot. A whole lot. I wasn't sure why. I've been to Wisconsin a couple dozen times in my life, and I've enjoyed the people and the state. The only negative experience I've ever had in the Badger State was the road trip with an ex-girlfriend I talked about in past videos. Well, that started in the University of Wisconsin-Madison. I found it odd that so many people wanted me to do a worst of video. And after doing the research and reading up on a bunch of things, I think I know why. You people are messing with me. There isn't much going on that's wrong in this state. They don't lead the nation in many negative categories. I actually got to the point where I had to call some friends that have lived there for years. 3 to be exact. One from Racine, one from Madison, and another one from Egg Harbor, which is up north. That one's past Green Bay. They all told me the things they think people should know before they come to the land of cheese. So before you willingly relocate to a place where people actually attend football games with cheese on their heads, you should watch my top 10 reasons not to move to Wisconsin. Number 10. Bugs and insects. Bugs are such a problem in Wisconsin, they actually have a law in Hudson that says you must have screens on your windows from May 1st to October 1st. They also have a dust and diamond problem. Dustin is a Wisconsin native who played Screech in Saved by the Bell back in the 1990s. Most people think of him as kind of an insect. Not sure if the whole screen thing will deter him from coming into your home, but give it a shot. Number 9. It's flat. Wisconsin is one of the flattest states. The highest natural point is a hill called Timms Hill, and it's only about 1,900 feet high. Not a bunch of serious downhill skiing happens here in the Badger State. I wonder if this is where all that flat earth nonsense started. Who knows? Number 8. It smells bad. Wisconsin is the cheese state. Billions of pounds of cheese are produced in Wisconsin each year, which means there's a ton of cows, which means there's a ton of manure. If you ever smelt a cow, they smell bad enough without the whole manure thing. In rural Wisconsin, you can't escape the smell. No way. Number 7. Weather. When it comes to the weather in Wisconsin, everybody agrees winters are pretty brutal, and the snow seems to stay forever in some places. Invest in a good jacket, and ladies, invest in a lot of thick sweaters. Number 6. Water pollution. Wisconsin lakes are in bad shape because of water pollution. It's really bad. This is due to runoff from toxic chemicals used in farms, making some of the water undrinkable, unswimmable, unsafe to be around. Kind of like a bathtub in Flint, Michigan. Number 5. Crime rate. Okay, so Wisconsin doesn't have a whole bunch of crime in most of the area. Some that involve livestock, but not a big deal. They do have one place, Milwaukee, its largest city. The crime rate there is pretty bad. The violent crime rate for Milwaukee in 2016 was higher than the national average by 286%. What do you expect from a city that decided drunk in public isn't a thing anymore? Number 4. No jobs. Wisconsin's not the place you want to go to if you're looking for a job. A lot of recent college grads complain that they can't find jobs in their selected field and are being forced to move elsewhere, which is kind of hard for them. Wisconsin's one of those states that people don't really leave. Once you're born there, you kind of stay there. You might move around to different towns, but a lot of people stay close in Wisconsin. Number 3. Scott Walker. Scott Walker is Wisconsin's governor, and all the Democratic residents seem to hate him, and most of the Republican residents aren't big fans either. He was recently ranked 3rd as the least popular governor in the United States, and is considered to be the second worst thing in Wisconsin behind moldy cheese. He famously said during his disastrous run for the presidency, "If I can handle union protests, I can handle ISIS." Come on, Scott. Number 2. Obesity. Obesity rates among Wisconsin adults are bad. About 39% of residents are considered obese, making it about 5% higher than the national average. Yeah, it's bad. I think it's all that cheese and dairy they eat. And the fact no one wants to go outside and exercise because the whole place smells like manure. And number 1, higher healthcare costs. Wisconsin residents are at risk for type 2 diabetes, hypertension, and other obesity-related illnesses, and in turn have higher healthcare costs. More obese residents mean higher need for doctors, which means someone's got to pay for them. There's an old saying, a town with many doctors doesn't have enough toilets. A town with a lot of toilets doesn't need many doctors. And it makes sense. I think all these obesity-related illnesses and healthcare costs can be fixed with a high-fiber diet in Wisconsin. Alright, so that's my video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope you got some information out of it. You know, that one was kind of hard to do because there's nothing really wrong with Wisconsin. Top 10 reasons not to move to Wisconsin was harder than actually top 10 reasons to move to Wisconsin. It's the exact opposite of Detroit or something. Anyway, like I said, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to hit the like button. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I have some exciting news. I'm going to be traveling around the country this summer, kind of a Blue Highways tour. I want to find a small town to maybe buy some land and pretty much move to. It's a thought we have, and I'm going to do the research over the summer. I'm going to do a lot of traveling. I'll start off with the middle of June. I'll be in Pennsylvania and West Virginia, so I'll have some videos up on that. I hope you guys enjoy them. Don't forget the links below. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. Everybody have a great day. Be nice to each other.